Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to solve this quadratic graph question. So let's look at part A. Find the value of A. And A happens when x is -1 and this is the equation. And so I'm going to substitute y as A and my x as -1. Okay, do take note that every time we substitute a value, we put bracket. And this will give me a value of 1. Now that I know the table of value, I'm going to just plot this graph over on the grid here. So I'm going to just put it here so it's easier for me to refer to. So the first point, x is equals to -2, y is 6, so it's here. When x is -1, y is 1. When x is 0, y is -2 all the way down here. When x is 1, let me just make it here so that it's easier for us to see. When x is 1, y is -3 all the way here. X is 2, y is -2, and the last one, 3 and 1. Okay, so now is to plot this graph. Okay, so I'm going to just slowly plot this graph neatly. Okay, and Mr. Tan usually like to do it in a neater way. Okay. So as you can see, Mr. Tan is slowly making sure that it is a smooth curve. And continue to finish off this point here. And continue. And you should see the graph as such. Do remember to write down the equation of the line. Y equals to x squared minus 2x minus 2. So this is something that we must always remember to write. Okay. State the coordinates of the turning point. The point where it turns here. So it is always good for us to take note that to show that we got the answers from here, we always write the dotted line. So in this case, x is 1, y is -3. Okay, remember to draw dotted lines. The equation of the line of symmetry happens to be on this line here. Okay, where it is at the turning point. And so, this will be the line of symmetry, and the equation x equals to 1. So that is for part D. Okay, this is for part C. Write down the value of y when x is equals to 1.5, and this is something that is important also. We also must let people know that we are getting the answer from here. So please draw a dotted line. To let people know that the answer is indeed taken from the graph. So in this case, my y is 3.25 for E part 1. And for E part 2, find the solutions of the equation x squared minus 2x minus 2. And notice that this is actually, if I were to look at the equation that we have just drawn, which I'm going to pull down so that you can compare easily, then you can then see, oh, my x squared minus 2x minus 2 is actually y. So they are actually asking us, what is the answer for x when y equals to 0? So if I were to zoom in here, then I will get the two answers here. From here, you can then see that this could be negative 0.75 and 2.75. And the answers are gotten from the graph. And with that, we have come to the end of this video. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.